Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of another phone I picked up on eBay. I ordered a good amount, so I don't know what is which, to be honest. So I'm going to set this down. Cut this open. So here we go. It's Motorola Razr V3M Red on Sprint. I wish they didn't tape this up, but take a look here. Definitely hard to do one-handed. Got the owner's manual. And this was a lot of phones. I remember now I'm thinking about it. That's terrible memory. So here is one of them. Here's the other. And this was the Samsung. Here's the rate. So let's see if they have any power. Probably not, because there's no charger, so it probably hasn't been plugged in. That's on that one, and then nothing on that one. I'm gonna say this is probably the best looking one, maybe. And then the rant's in pretty good shape as well. A couple of dings here and there. Razr looks pretty decent as well all the way around too. The one I have with the box is in pretty poor shape, so this one will probably be taking the spot of the one I have currently. Does have a battery in here. This one may not have a battery in it. It's got a battery. Water damage indicator is red. No water indicator. Does have battery and an SD card. Let's take a look and see if this has an SD card in it. Does have a battery. I don't know. Yeah, no micro SD card in this one. Battery is bulged as well. $128 megabyte SD card. $64 meg. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.